Hello, Alex's EDC Army. Welcome to Alex's Knives and Such, where the such stands for EDC gear. Today is Sunday, so I am going to show you the knives that I'm carrying, which are these three Boker Kalashnikov automatic knives. And I'm going to say today is Automatic Sunday. I'm going to start with the middle one. Which needs to be cleaned off, and I'll talk about that after. It is the cleaver blade, OS 8. Automatic cleaver. So Boker, Kalashnikov, automatic cleaver, and OS 8. It's not the fastest, but watch. Push button. And then one hand. And the thumb. Has jimping. Jimping. Is there a blade play on this? Yeah, but it's automatic, so that happens. Maybe I can tighten it a little bit. Let me try. But this is how you would hold it in hand. Good package opener because of the shape of the blade, which is a sheep's foot. You know, you never want to, I'm using the Weeaboo bit driver stuff. But you never want to over tighten your automatics because then they won't open right. But let's see. A little slower. Nope. Just scrape my finger on it. It's okay, I like it. Still good. To get rid of this tape goo or something, whatever, if it is tape goo, or just to get your knives good, which I need to do in my automatics before I carry them out of the house today, is Knife Shield from KPL. You can pause to read that. And pause to read that. And then we have the Boker Kalashnikov automatic Desert Warrior Bowie style blade. So it can hold it like this. This is the jimpings right here and here. Push button. Let's watch it again. Push button. I will add some slow motion parts to this video because it will be really awesome. Blade play? Yeah, let me try. Just a tad. Always a tad, never too much. Because you never over tightening it will not let it work. Let me just do a tad bit more. Just a little bit. It's okay for automatics, I guess. But that's okay. And clip. Make sure to clip on this. Same clips. How these two compare to each other. Okay. Then we're going to do a comparison with the Cold Steel Voyager. Okay. That's the drop point. And OS 8A. OS 10A, my bad. Yep, Stonewash. We got the American Lawman. NS35VN. About the same size as not the cleaver, but the a little bit bigger than the Bowie blade. Then we have the Doug Ritter RSK MK5 fixed blade. Knife Right's a very good thing, and check them out, kniferights.org, and donate to help them out. Then we got a few more. The Banshee from Damn Designs. The Yokai from Damn Designs. Okay. Then we got QSP Penguin. And the Micarta. And the Reich P138-B. Is that correct? Yes. Okay. Next knife is the Boker Kalashnikov. Not Boker Kalashnikov. It's the Boker Burnley plus. Yeah. I'll insert the name in the video because I don't remember. But it's not a Kalashnikov. It's a Boker Burnley Plus design. This was a Blade HQ exclusive, I believe, at one time. I think it's still considered one. It's still going to be a Blade HQ exclusive, but they upgraded the steel to D2. But this is also when Missouri had made automatic knives legal out of the house to be carried. I picked this one up for like $50. So jumping right here. I don't carry this as much, but I need to carry it again. It reminds me of the Halloween movie blade shape and style. Clip is different, so it's one position clip. These are all one position clips. Yeah, only one side, so tip up. Tip up. But look, listen to this. Oh, do not hit your tripod. See, you got to be a little bit away from your tripod so you don't damage your knives. Lesson learned. Everything's okay with this knife. It's not hurt, but it could be worse. So, watch. Trying to get close so you guys can hear it, though. Yep. Let's compare it together. Okay. Let me get these knives open so we can compare them faster. So let me have it open every single one by one. Man, I missed on that one, trying to go down like this and it didn't go down. You gotta go harder and push. We're gonna move these out the way and compare this. It's the RSK MK5 by Doug Ritter. He had talked about it in one of the lives he was in, well, yesterday or the day before for Knife Rights. He has really good insights when he does his live stuff, and you should listen to it and rewatch it because it's really good and informative. American Lawman, S35VN, Voyager, and OS 10A. Voyager bigger. The Lawman's about the same size. We got Reich P138-B. Bigger, but not everything. Oh, we gotta do this comparison. The Yokai Damn Designs and the Banshee. Bigger. And when you see these automatic knives, they're budget automatic out the side knives with push buttons, all aluminum handle scales. You are like, which one should I get? A mini? Some with cool designs, some with cool colors. Some of them are like donuts, then sprinkles. And some of them are like kitchen knives or butcher knives, but just called cleaver. And you're like, I like cleaver-esque plates, so I'm going to get this one. And then you're going to get this automatic, because look at the snappy here. The snappiness on this. Have a good grip or it'll drop. Copper coated blade, and it's AUS 8. All of these are AUS 8. I would have liked to have the cleaver in D2, but that's okay. See? And you close them all up. And yeah, this is how they look closed to each other. So yeah, they are good knives for having automatics. If you want to, if your state allows automatics, and you want to start budget because you've never had an automatic, it is great to have the Boker, the Boker Burnley Plus, which is this model, and I'll get the name of this for you guys. I'm trying to say Quakin, but I don't think it's Quakin. Probably not. And then the automatic Kalashnikovs. Always a hit. Always good for budget. And always good to start with your automatic collection. Or just automatic EDC because... Wacha! Listen. Nice. Then you hear this one. And then this cleaver. It's slower than the rest, but I wish it was faster, like at least this. This one's great. Listen. I didn't bring my mini down just because, and I had one more, I think, that was in the black scales. I didn't bring those two down, but, you know, I'm just showing you what I would carry if I had to pick 3 automatics that I have out of the 5. Reverse grip, as Bearded Gear would say. I don't know why you would want to do this in reverse grip anyways. Then this in reverse grip. Yeah, if you're self-defending yourself, sure. You'd have a grip like this. Cha-cha. Cha-cha. And this one in reverse grip, the Bowie Kalashnikov. Yeah. This goes for about 30 to 40. You can find it maybe 25 to 35. This probably 30 to 40. You could probably find it for 30 to 35. And this, I think, was about around 50. So you could probably find it for 40 to 45. Or if you are buying it brand new, which is the new D. I think the D2 version is out now. Might be 50 to 55, give or take. But the AUS 8 secondary market, if you just want an AUS 8 one, you could find it for 25 even. So, yeah. I'll get you to the model of this, but this one is really nice to me. And it's more, it's not the budget, it's the, well, it's still budget, but it's more than the Kalashnikovs. Kalashnikovs are their main budgety style. This is up. This is like a budget, when you say budget with a half of a plus or a full plus, so budget plus. And it, yeah, Boker Plus, Burnley, don't own it, but this is 1404, if that means anything, and stonewashed. This is satin, and that's copper coated. Now, on to this. We have the KPL knife shield, which we're going to use to show you this, because it's supposed to take off tape goo and other goos. So goos is stickiness, and it's bad for your blades. Okay. This cloth has been used to the max, so probably on this last last wipes. But you could do 1 or 2 sprays and you wait 10 to 20 seconds. Non-toxic, so you don't have to worry. Shake well before use. Okay. Let's shake well. Okay. Pop the cap. And then we're going to spray it on the front of this blade, like so. Okay. And we're going to wait some seconds. Okay, now we're going to wipe. And wipe again. And the goo is gone. I'll do the other blades and the other side of this blade after the video. But this is KPL Knife Shield. It's relatively new from them, but it works great. Did a lot of blades with this the other day. So, yeah, good stuff. Go get one. If you are struggling with goos or you just want your blades to be clean, and it prevents rust and corrosion on metal surfaces. So, it is a plus in my book. And since we're doing KPL, use ultralight or regular, and you'll have great stuff. And your pivots. But if you have my opinion on which one I like the most, I like cleaver blades, but it's slow, so I'd still carry it. That one is a budget plus, and it's nice. In hand, go down like this and it's okay. Going like this is okay. So, yeah. But this, I wish the handle was more like that in quality of aluminum. But it shoots out like such a charm. So for action, it's this. For feel in hand, it's this. And for blade shape, it's this. So what I would like to say is there a Boker out there that has this blade shape, that handle scales, and that action? Would it? If it is, it's a sell to me. Anyone have one? They want to sell or trade? Hit me up. But that's my automatic Sunday carry. And I'm going to include the Doug Ritter RSK MK5 because I support knife rights, and you should too if you like to carry your knives and want the laws to be better. Like, comment, share, subscribe, even dislike. Have a great day. Be safe. Subscribe to my channel for more to come. And as always, support knife rights. Believe in the hobby. Be safe. And remember to use your sharp blades. Bye.